Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're kicking off an exciting journey into the world of electronics with our comprehensive course on circuit analysis. Whether you're a student trying to ace your exams or a hobbyist looking to build your own gadgets, you've come to the right place. First off, let's talk about what we're actually doing here. What exactly is circuit analysis? To put it simply, it's like being a detective for electricity. It is the process where we look at an electrical circuit and work out three main things. We find the voltages, we calculate the currents, and we determine the power flowing through the system. Once you know these three values, you basically understand everything the circuit is doing. Now you might be wondering, why should I spend time learning this? Well, if you want to understand how your phone, your laptop, or even your kitchen appliances work, this is where it starts. Learning circuit analysis gives you the power to design and troubleshoot your own circuits. Instead of just guessing why a project isn't working, you'll have the tools to fix it. Plus, it's the absolute foundation for everything else in electronics and electrical engineering. Before we dive into the math, we need to speak the language of the trade. Throughout this series, we'll be using some basic terms and components. You'll become very familiar with voltage, current, resistance, and power. We'll also talk about the geography of a circuit, things like nodes, branches, and loops. Don't worry if these sound a bit technical right now. We're going to break each one down step by step. So, what does our roadmap look like? We have a massive playlist planned for you. We'll start with the basics like Ohm's Law and how to handle series and parallel circuits. From there, we'll move into more advanced territory like Kirchhoff's laws, the voltage and current divider rules, and essential network theorems like Thevenin's and Norton's. We'll even touch on AC basics and power in circuits to make sure you have a complete picture. By the time you finish this playlist, here is what you can expect. You will be able to analyze circuits step by step, solve complex problems with total confidence, and most importantly, understand how these concepts apply to the real world. I'm really excited to get started with you all. If you're ready to master electronics, make sure to subscribe for the full circuit analysis series so you don't miss a single lesson. If you have any questions or doubts along the way, please comment down below. I'd love to help you out. And if you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like and share them with your friends. Let's get into the first lesson,